My name is Mark Lowe, and I work for a company called Nature's Sunshine Products. We're a public traded company. We have been in business for 53 years. So we make, gummies, liquids, powders, anything that promotes the health and the well-being of people. I'm very intrigued by AI and how it's being integrated, if you will, in the world of sourcing and procurement. One of the things that I realized, big takeaway from this, is that AI is not replacing the people. It's more of enabling and helping them to focus on things that are more value, and it creates a better experience for our organization as well as our customers. One of the things that surprises me more than anything else is how fast technology has advanced in the last year and a half. I'm exploring to see what their capabilities are. Now we're at the infancy stage, and I'm so far have been very intrigued, if you will, by the possible opportunities that they provide to the table. So I'm more in the exploratory side and exploring how they can bring a lot of value to Nature's Sunshine, and that's something that I'm very interested to see.